Hey everybody, I'm Waypoint Kids, and we have a Treehouse
Adventures.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is one of Chase's Lego sets he got for his birthday. This is Lego Creator Set 315 or 31053 Treehouse Adventures. And we are going to pick which one to build today here, Chase Man. Which one? Why don't you turn around and show us the box? Show us which one you're gonna pick.
I'm gonna wait for an easy one.
Wait for the easy one. I think you should go with that one. Look, she's got a telescope, and it looks like he's maybe painting something there. They've got a paint roller and a frog, and they have, I don't know what that is. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, look
That's
at
a blue jay.
This is us.
Thanks, Bobby. I appreciate your help. Let's open this up. Here. You got it, bud? All right, buddy, so we've got it open. Let's see what's inside. Dump it. Whoa! Cool. All right, so we've got our instruction bag. We've got 3 little bags in our big bag. You want to start opening them up? Here. All right. Okay, so we've got 3 instruction books. I think that's the one you want, right? I think that one's the easiest one.
I bet sound.
Yeah, I think You like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was cool. So this set we have nicknamed the Treehouse Masters set.
Here.
Yeah. So Chase and Mommy finished it up. And
Not
Chase
me.
has stepped away. No,
Not me.
Not you. You helped. You're here. Alright, so guys, check this out. So this set
I'll help
is
with Mommy.
super cool.
I'll help with Mommy.
You did help Mommy. Now, this set I've extended it all out.
I'll be
Now,
five.
this little bridge here, I'm gonna take our two
five.
figures off.
I'll be
But as we
five.
turn, that's a flag. As we turn this, the drawbridge drops, and it turns into a more compact treehouse. You put the flag back on. Good job, good job. Thumbs up, like it. All right, so let's check out some of the features on this. We have got the telescope up top, so we can look at the moon and the stars. And we also have inside our treehouse, we've got a little map and lantern and a cookie. And a cookie, yep. And we've got these really cool branches and lantern. And oh, look, it's a blue jay.
Huh.
You see the blue jay?
Yeah.
Right there? Okay, so let's close this back up. Now watch. When we fully extend this out, our bridge starts to pop right back up. And our treehouse is now completely different.
A camera.
Yeah,
Camera?
that's a telescope to watch the stars.
That's the stars.
Yeah.
Up there.
Up there, that's right. Now check out down here. So we've got a nice little area, got some land, got some water, and oh, there's a frog. Ribbit. And we couldn't figure out what this was, but looking at the box, it looks like this little contraption here
Frog.
is for the boy
Hey,
and girl.
Frog.
For the boy and girl to move these pieces of logs up and down. So I think we missed it, but there is a little chair up here too, next to that lantern. Alright, so let's get our figures in here one more time. We've got the girl, and we've also got the little boy. And they come with some pretty cool
Down.
accessories. I'm guessing this is a paint sprayer. And we have also got a paint roller. And a little wheelbarrow to put all their accessories in. Yep.
Down.
Yeah.
Up.
Alright, now this is only one
Down,
version of the
up.
Treehouse Adventures build. This is the advanced build that we took on here today. So we hope you enjoyed the build. And if we get together, or if we get any of the other builds together, we'll be sure to upload them as well. Now again, this was the Treehouse Adventures Lego set 31053 with 2 minifigures. Oh, he fell down. 2 minifigures and a very, very cool playset
What's
area.
that? What's that?
What is what?
That's
What's that?
awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome. Look at that.
Ups.
Cool.
Down.
The bridge is very, very cool. Alright.
Awesome.
That is awesome. You like it?
Baby.
Yeah, we're going to bring together some of our other creator Lego sets. We're going to bring them all together and have one big treehouse adventure.
Right.
Right. Alright guys.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, like and subscribe for more videos from the Brick Building Kids. And have a great day.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Hehehe